So we've been on site now for 54 weeks, so we've passed the 1 year sort of landmark. It's been a challenge. We're through the bulk of the basement demolition works now. Core 3 slip forming is now complete and we're stripping the rig on that today, with cores 1 and 2 now progressing as well, and structural steel work will commence.
On a building of this nature, you always have cores. They allow the structure to be built around it. We've chosen to use slip form because we can slip continuously. We can do up to 4 metres a day, so it allows us to just continually do that without having to strip the shutters off, which takes time. So this is a more program efficient way of forming the cores.
So basically the structure of it, so we can start flying high. Once this is off the ground, we can start pouring slabs on each floor.
And also it's an enclosed environment. It's a better environment for the guys to work in, on the same structure every day, which just moves up, so it's safer. So we're stood up on the podium level at the moment. We've got a large core here behind me. This is one of the slip form cores. You can see the complexity of this reinforcement. A lot of this has had to be brought in by crane. Deliveries coming over there, and then even the bars on this one, some of them have had to be placed individually by crane because of the size of them, the size of this wall. Next to us is 2 Snowhill, which is a large office block, so we work with the building managers in there. We talk to them regularly about what's coming up. It's really keeping the businesses on board and keeping them informed of what we're doing.
So I'm Sonia Thomas, I'm the building manager of 2 Snowhill in Birmingham. I'd actually call BAM a considerate construction company. They're great if you've got any questions or if you need any advice, they're always there. It's actually great to have them next door.
At the end of last summer, the site team won the quarterly Gold Award for health and safety. That was great. That's always good recognition of the hard work that goes in. Health and safety is top of BAM's agenda, always has been. It's key to the safe, effective running of the project. We deliver that message through daily Safe to Start, toolbox talks, regular health and safety committee meetings, walking around the site, talking to the guys, making sure they understand the reasons why, the benefits of health and safety.
Safety-wise, they're perfect. You have to wear glasses all the time. Daily briefs, they're doing every day, which is a very good thing.
I do 2 morning briefings, just go through what's happening that day in all areas of the job, so everyone knows what's going on.
At the end of the day, everyone does deserve to go home safe at the end of every evening.
BAM's a fantastic company to work for. I've left university and I'm working on an industrial placement at the moment. And obviously putting me on a job as prestigious as this in my home city, yeah, it's probably one of the best jobs I've ever had.
It's great to work for BAM because they are a really versatile company. They do loads of different projects, different types of things, and they've got a really good working ethos to deliver projects successfully.
My name is Stephen Crichton. I am the Director of Project Management for Gleeds, and on 3 Snowhill we're the commercial quantity surveyors and we're also the project managers. When somebody tells you you're working on a project that's £98 million in value, it's next to a live tram line, next to the ring road, you kind of think there's going to be problems on day one, but because everybody's bought their A-team, it makes life so much easier. The guys are a pleasure to work with, and I wouldn't say that if I didn't mean it.
I'm David Shakeshaft. I act for RT Group Development Snowhill Limited, which is part of the Ballymore Group. These are some of the best buildings and leading office developments in the city. And we wanted to make sure that we had a contractor on board who we could trust and who we could ensure delivered us a product that we were comfortable to let. And BAM came out on top.
It's very important that we work together and share the knowledge. That's very important. The client has already built 2 buildings very similar to this. So having them working closely with us is a really, really good benefit.
The relationship with the site team is consistently very good. These projects are highly collaborative. We communicate on a regular basis. Our office is actually here on site. The BAM culture, their desire to succeed, their enthusiasm and passion are going to bring this project in on time.
The next key stage of the project is obviously complete the concrete cores and then the mainframe structural steelwork, which is a circa sort of 40-week programme. And as that progressive, we'll commence then with the external facade, the curtain walling. The key to the project really is the roof, to get the roof concreted and sealed to allow the mechanical and electrical plumbing works to commence. That really will be the heart of the building. Those are the next sort of real big challenges.